Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SoFi Invest for tax-advantaged accounts. To register with SoFi Invest for tax-advantaged accounts, start by visiting the SoFi Invest website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password for your account. After entering your email and password, proceed by clicking Continue or Next. Next, provide your personal information, including your full name. Enter your date of birth as well as your home address. Fill in your phone number for account verification purposes. Once all personal details are entered, read through the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms and then click Continue. You may need to verify your email or phone number through a code sent to you. After verification, log back into your SoFi Invest account. Now, it's time to select the type of account you wish to open. Choose the option for tax-advantaged accounts, such as an IRA. Follow the prompts to enter any additional required information. You will be asked about your employment status and income details. Provide your Social Security number for tax purposes. Review all information carefully before submitting. Once satisfied, click Submit to complete your registration. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with SoFi Invest for tax-advantaged accounts. Check your email for confirmation and additional setup steps. Now you can explore investment options within your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.